Welcome to the world of the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest civilizations in history. It flourished along the Indus River, shaping the cultural and architectural landscape of the Indian subcontinent. Today, we will explore the phases of this civilization and the important cities that still echo its greatness. इंद्र की घाटी में बसी संस्कृति पुरातन जान हड़प्पा मोहनजोदड़ो बिखरे इनके प्राण ईंटों की भाषा बोले चुप रहकर भी ज्ञान सिंधु की धारा में बहे सभ्यता का मान. This period marks the beginning of village life, simple urban planning, and early trade with Mesopotamia. This was the peak of urban planning, featuring drainage systems, standardized bricks, seals, dockyards, and granaries. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were at their height. Trade declined and many cities shifted to rural settlements, reflecting a change in cultural traits and regional differences. Harappa, located in modern-day Punjab, Pakistan, was discovered in 1921. It gave the civilization its name. The city had well-planned streets, granaries, and evidence of trade. The layout follows a grid pattern. जहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी सभ्यता की बात, हड़प्पा की धरती ने खोली थी इतिहास की बात. Mohenjo-daro, discovered in 1922, was located in Sindh, Pakistan. Known for the Great Bath, it had advanced drainage systems and multi-story buildings. The city likely served as a religious or administrative hub. मोनजोदड़ो की गलियों में बहता इतिहास, नहाने का तालाब, सभ्यता का प्रकाश. Rakhigarhi, located in Haryana, India, is the largest Harappan site in India. It spans over 350 hectares and offers evidence from all three phases of the civilization. Artifacts, including DNA samples, have been found here. राखीगढ़ी की ज़मीन पर लिखा गया इतिहास, सबसे बड़े नगर की यह है खास बात. Dholavira in Gujarat's Run of Kutch is known for its remarkable water management system with reservoirs and step wells. It also had a distinct stone-built architecture unlike other brick-based Harappan cities. धोलावीरा की भूमि पर पत्थरों ने रचा संवाद, जल प्रबंधन की कला बना इसका अभिमान. Kalibangan, located in Rajasthan, is known for the world's earliest known plowed agricultural field. It also shows evidence of fire altars, indicating ritual practices during the mature Harappan phase. कालीबंगन की राख में छुपा था आग का रंग, पहला हल पहली भट्टी, यहीं से उठी संस्कृति की तरंग. Lothal, located in Gujarat, was an important port town and had a dockyard for maritime trade. It was a hub for bead making and commerce, and artifacts suggest strong international trade links. लोथल की लहरों में व्यापार की थी ध्वनि, बंदरगाह बना ये नगर, हर दिशा से जुड़ी कड़ी बनी. Chanhudaro, located in Sindh, Pakistan, was unique for being the only Harappan site without a citadel. It was a center for craft production, including bead making and seal engraving. छानहुदरो की गलियों में था कारीगरों का ठिकाना, जहां मिट्टी, धातु और कला ने रचा अपना ठिकाना. Surkotada in Gujarat is notable for being the first site where horse remains were found, although this is still debated by scholars. It had fortifications and evidence of residential buildings. सुरकोटदा के किले में था घोड़ों का प्रमाण, पहली बार मिला था यहाँ इनका नाम. Banawali, located in Haryana, had evidence of both agricultural and trade activities. It featured a unique oval-shaped city plan and provided artifacts such as terracotta figurines and fire altars. खरीदी. बनावली की मिट्टी में छुपा था एक राज, खेती और व्यापार का संगम बना ये आज. Sutkagen Dor, located near the Pakistan-Iran border, was the westernmost Harappan site. It likely served as a trade outpost connecting to the Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia. Sutkagen Dor, सीमाओं का प्रहरी बना, सबसे पश्चिमी नगर, व्यापार में अग्रणी बना. This is just a brief journey into the grandeur of the Indus Valley civilization, where each city tells a tale of urban ingenuity, trade, and culture. From Harappa to Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira to Lothal, the echoes of this civilization continue to inspire awe. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Drop any comments or suggestions below. We'd love to hear from you.